to rear-facing toddlers. This is the Axkid Minikid 4, a rear-facing car seat that's suitable from 61 to 125 centimetres, which is roughly 6 months to 7 years. The seat comes with an insert cushion for smaller babies, so when they're from 61 centimetres to 105, you use the insert, and for an older child, the insert is removed and the headrest goes all the way up to here, and the seat is then suitable up to 1.25 m, which is roughly 7 years. The height of the Minikid's headrests adjust automatically when you tighten the harness, and I find that for younger children it is easier to lock the headrest in place, and you do that with this switch here at the top. It is currently locked. You can unlock it by moving it here, or you can lock it into place like this, and then when you tighten the harness, or when you loosen the harness, the headrest doesn't move. But for older children, it is better to have the headrest unlocked, and then it jumps back up to its highest position every time you take the child out. And when you strap the child back in, when you then tighten the harness, the headrest height adjusts automatically because it stops at their shoulders. The Minikid 4 is available in 4 different colours, and I've got 2 of them here. This is called Granite Melange, and this one is Brick Melange. And this is the one I'm going to be using to show you how to fit the seat into the car. All belt-fitted car seats up to 125 centimetres use tether straps, and before you can install the seat in the car, these straps have to be attached to the front seat's runner rails. The tether straps have a metal bracket at one end and nothing at the other end, and it is this end that's just plain that you have to pass under the front seat's runner rails. So you pass the strap under the rail, pull it through, make it as short as possible, and then there is a line of white stitches on the strap. You choose the shortest one. Each of these white stitches is a double layer that you then pass the metal bracket through. And once you've passed it through there, you pull it tight, and that's your tether point. And I've now attached the other one as well, so I've got 2 tether points, one here and one there. The Minikid has a recline bar under the front of the seat down here, and before you install the seat you need to pull that bar down a little bit. You don't have to pull it down, but if you don't, the seat will be more upright, and reclining the seat will give you a better angle for a bit more legroom. I've now placed the seat in the car, and now the first thing to do is open this zip, and that reveals the seatbelt locking clip, which is in here, this green clip. You then open the clip by lifting up this flap and leaving the clip open so that the seatbelt can go through here and lie inside that clip. You then pull out the seatbelt. I always take the buckle up to the opposite corner of the door for enough length, and then hold it like this. And then you pass the buckle tongue through this hole here in the side, and then take the belt across to the other side inside the green clip and pass it down through this hole. Then pull the buckle out of that hole and buckle it into the car. You then need to take all the slack out of the seat belt before you lock the clip, and you do that by pulling the diagonal belt up through the buckle. And once you've got as much slack out as you can do that way, you then put your hand on the seat and push it into the car and pull the belt really, really tight with the other hand on this side. And then you've got a really tight belt, and then you need to lock the green clip. You just close the clip, push it down and lock it into place, and then you need to close this flap. Now let go of the seat belt and close the zip. And I'm now going to attach the self-tightening tether straps, and you do that simply by pulling them out. I'm going to do this one first because it's easier to reach. Pull it out, and the clip here on the end of this strap locks into the ring on the end of this strap, like this. And then you do the same thing with this one. Pull it down and click it on, and then it will retract back in here. The tethers are housed in here on an inertia reel, and they have a one-way locking mechanism. So to tighten them up fully, you push down on the top of the seat until they are tight. And then the support leg needs to be dropped down to the floor, and you do that by pushing the leg back as far as these retaining straps will allow, and then you press this button, the leg will drop down, you then pull it down and out until the button pops back out. And then there's just one thing left to do, and that is the side impact protection block, and that is attached to the side of the seat. When the seat comes out of the box, you've got a cover here that you just need to take off. Now if you look very closely, you'll see 4 holes here and 4 little knobbly bits there, and they need to line up and lock into place, and you do that by going here like this and then pushing it down. So that's how you install the Axkid Minikid 4. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and I'll see you soon.